Let us discuss true or false statements in the exercise 7.2 of the chapter cubes and cube roots. The first question is, cube of any odd number is even number? It's no, false. Why? Because if we can choose 1 cube equal to 1 only, 3 cube equal to 27, these are end with the odd numbers, not even number. So it's false. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Exactly. If perfect cube means 10 cube is there, it end with 3 zeros. But it does not end with 2 zeros means it's true. It's never end with 2 zeros, does not end with 2 zeros. And if a square of a number end with 5, then its cube end with 25. It's may or may not. If we can take 5 cube, it is equal to 125. But if we can take 15 cube, it's not end with 25. Why? Because 225 into 15, 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 2s are 30 plus 7, 37. In this end with 75. So it's false. Next, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. So false. Why? Because 2 cube is equal to clearly 8. So there is no perfect cube which ends with 8 means we clearly know it. 2 cube is 8. This is making the false statement for 2. So it is false. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. In some cases, suppose, for example, 10 cube, it is 1,000. Say 3-digit number. But 15 cube, here already we did here. 37, 3, 15 2s are 30, 33. It's a 4-digit number. So not exactly 3-digit. In some cases, 4 digits are also possible. 5 digits also possible. If we can take 99 cube. That is. Next, the cube of 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. 2-digit number means suppose the maximum number is 2-digit number 99 cube. 99 cube means we can multiply it. 99 into 99. Wait a minute. 99 into 99, it equal to 9,801 into 99 equal to 6 digit is the maximum. 9,70,299. In this, the maximum is 6 digit, but they are may have 7 or more. 7 means it is false. Why? Because the 2-digit number maximum, the largest 2-digit number is 99. 99 cube is 9,10,299. It is the maximum 6 digit only. Okay. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. Some cases we know that 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8. The cube of single digit number is a single digit number. For 2 numbers, the other are not. So it's possible for 2 numbers also, it is true. In those 2 cases, it is true. Okay. Next, third question. You are told that 1,331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube roots of 4,913, 12,167, 32,768. First of all, here we can take we can recall the cubes up to 10. Okay, we know that 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27, 4 cube equal to 64, 5 cube equal to 125, 6 cube equal to 216, 7 cube equal to 343, 8 cube equal to 512, 9 cube equal to 729, 10 cube equal to 1000. Okay, from this just you can observe it. For 1 cube, we get units place or ones place, digits, 1 only. For 2 cube, for 2 it's 8. For 3, it's 7. For 7, it is 3. Just we can see here. For 3, it's 7. 7 is 3. For 5, 5 only. For 5, 5 only. For 6, 6 only. 5, 5, 6, 6. 7, it's over. Okay. 8, 8 means getting 2. 2 means getting 8. Okay. And for 9, 9 only. For 0, odd number, that is 3 zeros, 6 zeros, like that, multiple of 3. See here, 1331. Here, 1331. In this, we can make into these 3 as a, put a bar, 3 numbers. For that, we can take a 1 bar. And for 1, 1 bar. 1 cube is 1, 1, 1. Okay, it's 0, 331. Okay, 1 plus 1, it's not clear, but here what is 1? For 1 only, 1 getting. So we can check it, 11 cube. 11 cube is equal to, it's not doing this one, just we can make into for 3 digits, put a bar in the ones place, what the number is there, that is suitable, and the other 2 places are, which is the perfect cube, then we can take that one. Just we can check out. 11 cube. 11 cube equal to 121 into 11. So 11 ones are 11. 1. 11 twos are 22 plus 1, 23. 2. 11 ones are 11 plus 2, 13. Okay, it's clearly. So cube the root of 1331 is equal to 11. Okay, this is clear. In the same way, we can taking as 4,930. Just we can take for 3 digits 1 bar. This is 1 bar. Here for 4, the cube, nearest cube is 1 cube only. 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8. But this 4 is less than of 1 cube, is less than 4 is less than 2 cube. So we can take it as cube the root of 4,913 is equal to, in the first digit is, we can take it as 1. Next, for 3. For 3, in the units place 3 is coming, means we can take the 7. So it's 17. We can check out 17 cube. From the calculation of the 17 cube, we are getting 17 into 17 is equal to 289. We know that 289 into 17. Okay. Again, multiply with 17, we are getting 4,930. Just from what clue we are getting here? In the units place 3 is there, then we choose the 7. So this is the for second one. Next, third one. For third one, 12,167. See here, put 3 digits taking as a bar and 1 more 2 digits. Here, just you check out. It is in the 7, means we can take in the units place digit is 3 clearly. And for 12, we know that 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27. So from this, we can say that 2 cube is less than 12 is less than 3 cube. So here we can take it as 23. Again, we can find out the cube of the 23. 23 into 23 equal to 523 cube. It is equal to 23 in cube is equal to 529 into 23. It is equal to 12,167. Just we can multiply it. It's clearly. From this, we can say that cubed root of 12,167 equal to 23 or 12,167 equal to 23 cube. Fourth one. 32,768. Again, for 3 digits, we make as a bar, single bar. For 2 digits, 1. The nearest cube for 32. We know that 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube equal to 64. So 32 is less. 3 cube is less than 32 is less than 4 cube. So in this, 3 is come in the tens place. And 768. 68 means 8 in the units place means 2 will come. So 32 is the, why? Because here 8 means in the units place 2 cube is equal to 8. So this is 32 cube. Again, we can check it. 32 cube is equal to 32 into 32 equal to 1024 into 32. It is equal to 32,768. Therefore, 32,768 equal to 32 cube. Just to you can observe cube, perfect cube means for 3 digits make as a bar, single bar, and another we can take from right to left. If the left side how many digits are left, we make into that perfect cube. 32 is the nearest to which cube? 3 cube. And in the units place, what is the number is there? From that we can take that number. And this is based on the cubes. That's why you remember at least 1 to 10 cube numbers. Cube of the 1 to 10. If you remember, then you can easy to find out the cube root of any number. Okay. Cube roots of cube number. Find the cube root of following numbers through estimation means what we did in the previous questions. The same thing, the third one. Here, estimation. Through estimation means first we can take the given number, that is 8,57,375. First, we can take this number as a taking bar. 3 digits make a single bar, 3 digits make a single bar. Okay. Here 857 is there. Here 375. We know that the maximum number we did it 99 cube is equal to something 90,000. It is a 6-digit number only. It is also 6-digit number. First we can take 857 is a bar. And again we can recall 5 cube. What are the cubes are there here? Nearby cubes. Here we already discussed. 729 and 1000. The 857 is lies in between of 9 cube and 10 cube. So we know that 9 cube is equal to 729. 10 cube is equal to 1000. So 855 is lies between of 9 cube and 10 cube. So for these 3 numbers, here the digit is 9. And here 5 is there. The 5 number is come in the 5 only. Just we know that in the cubes, for 5, 5 only coming, for 6, 6 only coming, for 9, 9 only coming, for 1, 1 only coming. For 2, 8 will come. For 8, 2 will come. For 7, 3 will come. For 3, 7 will come. From that basis, we can do it here, 95 whole cube. Just we can recheck, is it correct or not? Exactly, it is correct after multiplication of 95 into 95, 9025 into 95, that is equal to 8,57,375. Therefore, 8,57,375 is equal to 95 cube. It is through the estimation. Okay. The second question, 17,576. First, for 3 digits, make a bar, single bar. Here 2 digits are there. We know that 17 lies in between of 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So in this case, here will come 2. And for 6, in the units place 6 is there, this is 6. So this is 26 cube. Just again, we can recheck, multiply 26 into 26, it is 676 into 26, 17,576. This is the estimation. Through the estimation of the find out the cube of digit or that number to cube the root. Here we can easy to write it as cube the root of 17,576 equal to 26. Here also cube the root of 8,57,375 equal to 95. Okay, this is the way how we can find out. For square roots, we can take for 2 digits as a bar. For cube roots, we can take for 3 digits bar. Okay, in that the nearest squares, how we can estimate? Here also nearest cube, so we can estimate. The 7th chapter is completed.